Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is part 2 to my beginners tip application video. This is going to be the beginners how to blend your nail tips. So let's get straight into it, and if you want to see how to successfully and properly blend your nail tips, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have the pointed almond tips applied from Glitter Planet, and I've used the instant nail glue to apply them. If you want to see how to apply nail tips properly, then check out my video. I will either link it in the description box or it'll be on the screen, so definitely check that out. But today's video is focusing on how to really blend in the tip. As you can see, it's got a slight raised area, so I want to talk you through how we are going to blend that into the natural nail and successfully shape the tips ready for product application. So this is the before, and I just wanted to share this because then I can share the after with you guys, and then you can see the difference. Because although the difference isn't huge, it's definitely a crucial one. So you can see the height on the tips there in comparison to the natural nail, and that is what we are going to be blending in. So I've got my file. This is 180 grit nail files from Glitter Planet. This one just isn't printed. I nicked it basically. But yeah, here we go. Let's get into this. So you want to first obviously make sure you're not filing on the natural nail. You are just going to file the tip. So notice how I am not touching that natural nail. And we're just going to gently file the tip where it meets the natural nail and blend in that tip. Now you can get tip blenders for this, but I don't think that they work. I say I don't think that they work. I think they do work, but I don't think it's necessary to have that because it's just as simple just to file, and you do still have to file with a tip blender. So I'm just going to come down the other side and we're just going to blend that tip. So notice that I'm focusing just where the tip meets the natural nail. I'm not going onto the natural nail. And I'm using short strokes on the nail file with a light pressure. Because again, you don't want to take too much of the tip away. You still need the structure of it there, especially at the sidewalls. You don't want to keep kind of filing, and then all of a sudden you've got no product or no tip at this area. That's it. So you can see already that we've started to kind of get that blend there. So I'm just going to continue this process, just thinning out that area and really blending in the tip. And then another thing you want to do as well is just concentrate on the sidewalls. You want to make sure that they are coming straight out from the nail. So here is the after, and as you can see, the raised area has been dramatically reduced and we have a nice blended tip. So I just wanted to show you the comparison to the blended tip. So let me just get something so I can point it with. So this one we have blended. You can see that there is no ledge or ridge there, and this one has yet to be blended. You can see that there is a lip there that I can get stuck on. Here it just runs straight, smooth across the nail. And so then you would follow the same process and just blend in all of the tips and come in and just make sure that your side walls are all running straight out from the nail. and then that is how you blend your tips. So super easy and super simple, but I thought if I did a dedicated video for you guys, then it would just give you some insight and show you how I blend my nail tips. So yeah, I'm going to continue doing this off of screen and I will show you the final results when I'm done. Okay guys, so this is my nails. I've gone ahead and blended all of the tips and everything is nice and even, and we're ready to go ahead and apply our acrylic. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's kind of taught you something or you've learned something, even if it's just something super small. I'm just glad that I was able to help you out. And if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. Bye.